This is a great big bicycle wheel mower. I kind of love getting these mowers because they're old. They're getting harder to find. They're easy to push because these are ball bearing wheels. This one is on a weed eater, model HD 71302BM, and this thing was in pieces when I got it. The tank was laying on the top of the mower. The rewinder, I've already taken off. It wasn't even attached. There's a few things wrong with this mower. And you can see where the tank was. I noticed the screw here that holds the manifold on was kind of wonky and up too high, and so this is actually broken. The screw goes in right there, so I'm gonna have to replace this piece. It may be like okay, but I've got some spares, so I'll do that. You got to be careful working on these old mowers when you go underneath, if they've been sitting around a while, which this one was, and look for signs of wildlife. And up in there's a few little spider egg sacs, and I'm always looking for black widows. And that's the poop from the spider right there, all those white dots. And he's in there. I think he's moving around. See that right there? Pretty sure that's him. But anyway, there's a little black widow up there. She is not a real big one, but big enough to hurt, I'm sure. So I'm going to be cleaning all this off. I'm going to get rid of that spider. I may just squirt a tiny little bit of poison up in there. It's missing the carburetor. I've got it tilted back now. I think it's a 22-inch blade. The dipstick tube was missing, so I had the dipstick but not the tube, so I just replaced the whole thing. The blade looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm hoping that that it's not bent or anything. There's something weird right there, that kind of a knob looking thing sticking out. I don't know what that is. Let me grab it with some, what is this? I think somebody's just put a screw in there to keep it from coming down so far, because it does sort of drag the ground, see how it's hanging down below the edge of the deck. So if you put the deck down low, that discharge chute's going to drag the ground. Let me take my flashlight again and look around here for more critters. I don't see anything in that corner. Let me look under here a little better. Don't see anything in that corner. And I'm gonna take one more look and decide what I'm gonna do about this little lady in here. I don't know if you can. She's doing a good job of hiding it. She's right behind that clump of grass on the right. I don't know if you can see it, but I see one of her legs. So let's get a little squirt of poison up in there. See if we can make her come out. I've been bitten by spiders enough. I don't need to be bitten anymore. Okay, so last time I saw her, she was don't know if you can see that leg or not, but I see her. So I'm gonna hit it with some poison. Here we go. What do you think of that, lady? There she goes. You see her? I think that's a black widow. It might not be, but doesn't look very friendly, that's for sure. Eventually she'll drop out of there and can examine her a little more closely. I'm looking for that little red hourglass on her belly, but she won't turn over. Okay, here she comes. All right, so there you are. And now I'm going to squirt you again. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Not much fun, is it? Okay, well, we'll leave that alone for a while and figure out what else we want to work on here. Like I said, the blade looks good. Let me get my poison out of the way. There we go. See if I can get something to flip her over. I don't know if that's a... Are you a black widow? Whatever it is, it's not friendly. So we're gonna get rid of her. And let's get a little paper towel on that stuff. We sure know how to have fun around here. All right. So I think I'm going to go ahead and unplug the spark plug, which it is, and I'm going to turn this with my hand just to look at the blade. Let me get a glove on. I want to see if the crankshaft is wobbling or not. I'm hoping I don't have a bent crankshaft. It's got compression, so here we go. I think that's okay. I didn't see any wobble. All right, so that's good news. The blade's not too bad. It's within about a half inch of the edge, so that's pretty good. So when you come back, I'm gonna have cleaned all this gunk off underneath, along with our little lady's egg collection under there, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned, see if we can get this old thing running.